Something else has happened, and it's tied to the Parliament, and it's tied to the whole issue of the finances of the nation and financing for goods and services for Trinidad and Tobago. This election has coincided with the mid-year review. You will recall at this time of the year, May, June, July, a mid-year review is undertaken to deal with expenditure and revenue for the supply of goods and services for governing Trinidad and Tobago. So it means, and it meant, that we had to assess the state of the economy as a priority, and that after the assessment, we can move forward with many policies. On my direction, several ministers, all ministers have met with their departments, ministers, PSAs, departments, and so on, with a view to identifying what is the status of revenue and expenditure in each of these ministries and what is the deficit. I am not surprised, and you should not be surprised, that in every ministry they have maxed out the expenditures. And in many of the votes, and we will give you details in due course, in many of the, out of the votes allocated to ministries, it is zero. It is zero. And the financial year still has many months to go. So it is imperative that we undertake in the Parliament ASAP a mid-term review to see where more funds will be needed, where we can switch around and transfer funds, because that's how it works. When you do the mid-term review, see where the most crucial areas are to put more money or to move money laterally from one ministry to another where they have not used their monies. And that exercise, we will be engaged to do the mid-term review at the earliest opportunity. The ministers will tell you for themselves what is the status of their allocation. I am told in one ministry, the Attorney General's ministry, in fact, where is HE? Yeah, HE's ministry. Payment, HE was it payment of legal fees. They vote for paying legal fees. The line item is called, the vote for that is at zero. At zero. And at the moment, $69 million. $69.6 million to be paid. Some to the Eater Food lawyers, I'm not sure. But we'll soon find out who they are. 69 still left owing. Michelle tells me, where's Michelle? Remind me what you found in your ministry, Michelle, MP Michelle. I'm sorry? Oh, using the self-help vote for campaigning. So there'll be a lot of issues the Honourable Attorney General will have to look at where government funding was being used for electoral gain. Some people might call it bribery, some people might call it buying votes. So when we come to tell you what is the reality, we will also tell you why and how we reached to this point. Several ministers may want to tell you, but we'll give them another time. We've been here all day, and they will share with you where monies, people were hired with just a 1 month hiring to be paid at exorbitant monies just in this one election month. A lot of those things more will come forward.